Hey boys and girls. Hey guys, we are going to do some puzzles today. We've got two different puzzles with animals on them. First, we're going to start with the one that tells us the animal noises. So what are you going to pick first? It's a hamster. It sounds like, pick it up and tell us what it sounds like again. Good job. Which one are you going to do next? You tell me. What is that?
It's a rat.
Or a mouse. What does it sound like? Put it in there. Good job. What are you going to do next? What is that? What is that?
It's a frog.
Good job. What are you going to do next? What does that sound like?
A kitty cat.
Good job. What is that?
It's a dog.
Good job. What's next? What sound is that?
A horse.
Good job. What do we have left? A bird and a fish. Does that sound like a bird or a fish?
A bird.
Good job. And the fish. Underwater. Good job. All right, let's scoot that over and see if we can do this other one. This one has animals,
With shapes.
shapes, and
Animals.
colors. So, let me see what you have first.
A kangaroo on a pink circle.
Okay, where does it go? Good job. What's that one?
A zebra on a
Purple.
hexagon.
Good job. Fits right in there. Let's see what else.
A monkey on a blue star.
On a blue star. Where's the blue star? Okay, and what's the last piece?
A elephant on a yellow square.
Good job.
Bye.
We'll see you guys for puzzle time tomorrow. Say bye, friends.
Bye.